Hello friends, let us solve some examples where we need to find Laplace transforms, but those are the examples which are based on standard functions. So let us first recall the Laplace transform of some standard functions. So we know that Laplace transformation of the function 1 is 1 over s. Then Laplace transformation of say t to the power n equal to gamma n plus 1 over s power n plus 1, and if n is integer, if n is non-negative integer, then this is nothing but n factorial over s power n plus 1 if n is non-negative integer. Then Laplace transformation of e to the power at is equal to 1 over s minus a. Then Laplace transformation of sin at is a over s square plus a square. Laplace transformation of cosine at is s over s square plus a square. Then Laplace transformation of sin hyperbolic at is a over s square minus a square, and Laplace transformation of cosine hyperbolic at is s over s square minus a square. So here now we take some examples where we need to use this standard function formula. So let us take the example. Find the Laplace transform of say e to the power 3t plus 3. It was asked in GTU summer 17. So we need to find out Laplace transformation of e to the power 3t plus 3. So we can write this as e to the power 3t into e to the power 3, and so e power 3 we can take it outside, and Laplace transformation of e power 3t, and we know the standard formula Laplace transformation of e power at equal to 1 over s minus a. So this is 1 over s minus 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Find Laplace transformation of cosine hyperbolic 2t plus t square. Now Laplace transformation of cosine hyperbolic 2t plus t square is Laplace transformation of cosine hyperbolic 2t plus Laplace transformation of t square, and again we know the formula Laplace transformation of cosine hyperbolic at is equal to s over s square minus a square Laplace transformation of t power n, t is non-negative integer, So that is n factorial upon s power n plus 1. So this is nothing but s over s square minus 4. Here a is 2 plus 2 factorial over s cube. So this is the answer. Find Laplace transformation of say 7 t to the power minus half plus 2 to the power 3t. So Laplace transformation of 7 t to the power minus half plus 2 to the power 3t, that is equal to, we can write this as 7 Laplace transformation of t to the power minus half plus Laplace transformation of, now we can convert this into the e power at form. So e power, so 2 power 3t can be written as e power log 2 power 3t. So this is equal to e to the power 3t log 2. So this we can write as e power 3 log 2 t. So this e power a t kind of things. Okay. So now this is equal to, this formula we know, Laplace transformation of t power n is equal to gamma n plus 1 over s power n plus 1, and Laplace transformation of e power a t equal to 1 over s minus a. So this is 7 gamma minus half plus 1 over s power minus half plus 1 plus 1 over s minus 3 log 2. Now this is equal to 7 gamma half s power 1 by 2 plus 1 over s minus 3 log 2, and now this is 7. Now we know the standard value of gamma half is root pi. So this is root pi over s power 1 by 2 plus 1 over s minus 3 log 2, or we can say this is equal to 7 root of pi over s plus 1 over s minus 3 log 2. Let us take one more. Find Laplace transformation of say cosine 3t into cosine 2t. Now Laplace transformation of cosine 3t cosine 2t. So this we can write as 1 by 2 Laplace transformation of 2 times cosine 3t cosine 2t. Now 2c, that we know it is c plus c. So this is equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transformation of cosine phi t 3 plus 2 plus cosine 3 minus 2. So cosine t. So this is equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transformation of cosine phi t plus Laplace transformation of cosine t, and we know that Laplace transformation of cosine a t is equal to s over s square plus a square. So, this is equal to 1 by 2. Now, here a is 5. Okay. So, s over s square plus 25 plus s over s square plus 1. So, we can have this is the answer. If you do not simplify much, it is not required. At most you can do like this: s by 2 1 over s square plus 25 plus 1 over s square plus 1. That is okay. Okay. Find the Laplace transformation of sin 3t plus 2. Now, we have the standard formula for Laplace transformation of sin a t, and that is a over s square plus a square, and as such we have cosine a t, and that is nothing but s over s square plus a square. But we do not have direct formula for sin ax plus b or at plus b. So, we need to first simplify this. So, Laplace transformation of sin 3t plus 2 is equal to Laplace transformation of, now we use the formula sin of alpha plus beta, and that is nothing but sin alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sin beta. So, sin of 3t cosine 2 plus cosine of 3t sin 2. Now, this cosine 2 sin 2 is constant. So, that can be handled like this is equal to cosine 2 Laplace transformation of sin 3t plus sin 2 Laplace transformation of cosine 3t, and so this is equal to cosine 2. Now, sin Laplace transformation of sin a t is a over s square plus a square, and here a is 3. So, this is 3 over s square plus 9 plus sin 2. Now, Laplace transformation of cosine a t is s over s square plus a square, and here a is again 3. So, this is s over s square plus 9, and so we can now just simplify because the denominator is same. So, this is 3 cosine 2 plus s plus say sin 2 into s over s square plus 9. So, that is the answer. Okay. Let us find the Laplace transformation of cosine cube 2t. So, here we need to find the Laplace transformation of cosine cube function. There is no standard direct formula. We need to convert into the non result. So, first we let us use this trigonometric formula, that we know that cosine 3 say theta equal to 4 cosine cube theta minus 3 cosine theta. Therefore, 4 cosine cube theta equal to cosine 3 theta plus 3 cosine theta, and therefore, cosine cube theta is 1 by 4 cosine 3 theta plus 3 cosine theta. So we use that result here. So Laplace transformation of cosine cube 2t. Now this result is for cosine cube theta. So theta is now 2t. So here 2t, here also 2t. So that is nothing but 1 by 4 Laplace transformation of cosine 3 into 2t plus 3 cosine 2t. So this is equal to 1 by 4 Laplace transformation of cosine 6t plus 3 by 4 Laplace transformation of cosine 2t. And so now the Laplace transformation of cosine at, and that is nothing but s over s square plus a square. So here s over, now here a is 6. So here we need to put 6 square. So that is s square plus 36 plus 3 by 4 again s over, now here that a is 2. So here we need to put 2 square. So s square plus 4, and you can have, if you want, you can have at most like s by 4, and so 1 over s square plus 36 plus 3 over s square plus 4. So that's the answer. Okay, let us take one more example. Find the Laplace transformation of Laplace transformation of, say, cosine hyperbolic square 3t. Now here what we can do is, we know that cosine hyperbolic x is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So we can do like this: cosine hyperbolic square 3t is Laplace transformation of, it is e power 3t plus e power minus 3t, then by 2 and its square. And so if we simplify this, this is 1 by 4, that is 2 square, and Laplace transformation of a plus b square. So a plus b square, so that is nothing but a square, so that is e power 6t plus 2ab, so 2 e power 3t e power minus 3t plus b square, so e power minus 6t, e power minus 3t square is e power minus 6t, and this e power 3t e power minus 3t is e power 0, and that is 1. So this is equal to 1 by 4 Laplace transformation of e power 6t plus 2 Laplace transformation of 1 plus Laplace transformation of e power minus 6t. And we know that Laplace transformation of e power at is 1 over s minus a. Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 over s. So that is nothing but 1 by 4 1 over s minus 6 plus 2 by s plus 1 over s. Now here e power a t. A is minus 6. So here we need to put minus 6. So s minus minus 6, s plus 6. And if you want, you can just simplify, otherwise it's okay. And if you simplify, suppose if you want to, you can simplify, then it will be s square minus 16, and here we will be having s square minus 18, but it's okay if you don't simplify. Let us take one more example. Find Laplace transformation of sine hyperbolic 3t e power 2t. In the next section you will get the formula also in first shifting theorem, but here even if you don't use, you can just take the sine hyperbolic 3t as e power 3t minus e power minus 3t n by 2. And so sine hyperbolic 3t into e power 2t equal to 1 by 2 e power 3t into e power 2t minus e power minus 3t into e power 2t, and so this is 1 by 2 e power 5t minus e power minus t. So that is the simplification of sine hyperbolic 3t e power 2t. So Laplace transformation of sine hyperbolic 3t into e power 2t equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transformation of e power 5t into e power minus t. So this is equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transformation of e power 5t minus Laplace transformation of e power minus t, and so this is 1 by 2 1 over s minus 5 minus 1 over s plus 1. So that is the answer. Take one more example. That Laplace, find the Laplace transformation of t plus t power 3 by 2 plus cosine hyperbolic 2t. So Laplace transformation of t plus t power 3 by 2 plus cosine hyperbolic 2t equal to Laplace transformation of t plus Laplace transformation of t power 3 by 2 plus Laplace transformation of cosine hyperbolic 2t. Now these are the standard result. Laplace transformation of t power n, if n is non-negative integer, then n factorial over s power n plus 1, or you can have gamma n plus 1 over s power n plus 1. So here it is 1 factorial over s power 2, but here it is gamma 3 by 2 plus 1 over s power 3 by 2 plus 1, and Laplace transformation of cosine hyperbolic at is s over s square minus a square. So plus s over s square minus 4. So this is 1 over s square. Now this is, we know gamma n plus 1 equal to n gamma n. So this is equal to 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2 over s power 5 by 2 plus s over s square minus 4. So this is 1 over s square. Now again gamma 3 by 2 can be written as gamma 1 by 2 plus 1. So plus this is 3 by 2, again 1 by 2, gamma 1 by 2 over s power 5 by 2 plus s over s square minus 4. And so this is 1 over s square plus 3. Now gamma half is standard formula root pi. So this is 3 root pi over, now this is 4 s power 5 by 2 plus s over s square minus 4. Thank you.